Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the World Cup qualifier. Bafana 0, Zimbabwe 0. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Pumagupi.
Innocent Mbuthumi igama mnganami.
Ukhala ngani?
Ngisethekwini la ngikhona ekhaya kusebhizana. Mnganami. Into engikhala ngayo amashidi edlala ibhola eligrand. Ukuthi nje awashoot. Asinayo finishing.
Asikhaba.
Asinayo finishing.
Asikhaba.
Yabona mfethu
uFoster.
uFoster.
Aya uFoster.
Mfethu.
Awudlile.
uFoster usibulela mfethu. Udlile. Ushokto. Yeah. Akafuna ukusubstitute mfethu.
Yes.
Ngaba ngasuka afake noma umahopa is fine.
Yeah.
Ngoba ngafaka umahopa is fine.
Gijimisa igame.
Never let me pass.
Injalo. One man of the match, my brother.
Got a vet.
No, TLP, man of the match.